Hello everyone, I'm Cindy from Rexel and thank you very much for watching this short video introducing you to the air cleaning units. I'm here today to explain how air cleaning units work and the benefits that they provide. You may have a CO2 monitor and may have used it to assess ventilation levels and identify any areas within your estate where ventilation needs to improve. Under health and safety legislation, all employers, including education and childcare settings, must make sure there is an adequate supply of fresh air and ventilation in enclosed areas of the workplace. This has not changed during the COVID-19 pandemic. Natural ventilation is best where that is achievable. Letting fresh air into indoor spaces can help remove air that contains virus particles, including COVID-19. Where appropriate, this can be achieved by opening a window to outside or through mechanical ventilation systems. Now, where it is not possible to maintain adequate ventilation with simple fixes or repairs, it may be appropriate to consider the use of an air cleaning unit while the underlying ventilation issue is addressed. If you are considering investing in air cleaning units, you should consider undertaking a cost-benefit analysis to help you decide whether investing in air cleaning units is the right thing for your setting. It is very important to note that air cleaning units are not a substitute for ventilation and should not be used as a reason to reduce ventilation. Air cleaning units provide an airflow system that purifies the air you breathe in indoor settings. They contain specialized filters such as HEPA filters that capture microscopic particles, including viruses, bacteria, and also allergens. And they do this by taking in the air with the help of a fan and passing it through a very fine filter. And most of the particles and aerosols are caught by the filter, and the cleaned air is then returned to the room. Good ventilation can help to reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19 and create a safer environment for staff and also students. Now, where ventilation through opening windows or mechanical means is not sufficient, air cleaning units reduce the risk of transmission of airborne viruses, including COVID-19. However, it does not remove the risk completely, especially in close contact situations. It is important to be aware that air cleaning units do not reduce CO2 levels from exhaled breath, so your CO2 monitor readings won't show any change, nor do they provide fresh air. Only ventilation can do this. We have various models to offer, so this is a general guide on how to select and use them. They are for indoor use only, so when selecting the model, please refer to the DFE how-to guidance for using air cleaning units and the comparison table on our website for information and advice on the considerations that you should have before deciding whether they are appropriate for use in your setting. The number of units you should use per room is dependent on the number of people in the space and also the clean air delivery rate required for the room size. For the Camfil City M model, use one device to cover a room up to 10 people, 2 devices to cover a room between 10 and 20 people, 3 devices where there are 20 or more people. For the Dyson model, up to 8 people, 2 devices, 1 set at SP2, 1 at SP10. Up to 16 people, 6 devices, all 6 at SP4. Up to 32 people, 5 devices, all set at SP10. When you receive your air cleaning units, remove them from the packaging and refer to the instructions that come with the unit. For Dyson units, you will need to insert the filters before connecting the power, and this is really quick and easy to do. Once you're set up, just simply plug each unit into a standard wall socket. Take care not to create a potential trip hazard by ensuring there are no trailing leads and the units aren't blocking fire exits, for example. For a lower occupancy room where only one unit is required, place the air cleaning unit away from the walls, windows and doors and position between occupants as centrally as possible. Always place and use the unit on a dry, stable and level surface. If using multiple units, try to distribute them evenly. In order for them to operate most effectively for your space, air cleaning unit should be set to run at the right power setting. They should not be used in auto mode. Now, when deciding which setting to use, please refer to the comparison table on our website. This will help you to choose the right setting to achieve the clean air delivery rate that you require, while also balancing flow rate and noise. Information about filter replacement can also be found there. Finally, you should ensure that people managing the air cleaning unit or using the room in which it is placed understand how to operate it. This includes knowing what power setting is appropriate and what to do if they encounter a problem. For more information, including the comparison table we have referred to in this video, or to purchase units or request support, please go to this webpage. For more guidance and information on the agreement with Rexel, just go to this gov.uk link. Further help is also available via the DFE Coronavirus Helpline. Thank you very much for watching.